So the next rune is Algiz, which means elk or strength, and you can see the little horns. I always think of it as outstretched arms, right? Because like you're strong, like the rally, yay, right? So the modern interpretations are protection and defense, guidance and higher connection, new beginnings and renewal, strength and resilience, focus and clarity, connection to nature, healing and transformation, trust and surrender. And some possible journal prompts are shelter from the storm. Like, remember a recent situation where you felt protected, or shielded from a physical thing or from negativity. You know, what provided this safety to you? What provides safety to you in times of trouble? Again, thinking about intuition and when you followed it or when you didn't follow it, what happened? Think about connections to things higher than yourself. How do they help comfort you, and especially during times of when you need strength? When 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 you have a problem, what tools do you use? Where do you go to? And when you see this rune, it's really about, when you think about an elk and you think about how strong they are, where are your strengths, right? But remember that elk still are prey for somebody, right? So there are times when they're running from stuff. Like, what do you have within you that will help you be strong during a storm? And then, some of these other sort of creative opportunities and, protection. Like, how do you protect yourself? And what are the things you do? Do you pray? Do you do rituals? Do you do journaling? Like, what helps you to be strong spiritually, mentally, physically? And so it's a great stone to reflect on that. Our next stone will be Sawila.